In this tutorial, I'll be showing you a tool that will make you money while you sleep. It's nearly available worldwide, and we just have to follow all the steps in this tutorial to get started. So the site that will be actually paying us today is called SpyFu.com. This is a site I'm pretty sure none of you have ever heard about before. But I believe it or not, you can make a lot of money here. Now basically, what this site does is it helps other people with either their website or Google Ads to get more traffic for a small amount of money. The way it accomplishes that is seen right over here. SpyFu exposes the search marketing secret formula of your most successful competitors. Search for any domain and see every place they've shown up on Google, every keyword they bought on Google Ads, every organic rank, and every ad variation in the last 15 years. So as you've seen, this tool essentially spies on more successful competitors, allowing people to replicate the success of the said competitors, hence the name SpyFu. Now this may sound a bit complicated and overwhelming at the moment, which is why I urge you to stay with me because we will not be paying this tool first and foremost, and secondly, it's not nearly as complex as it may seem. In fact, you don't even need to know how website traffic works and what any of these things mean, so it is a very easy strategy. Now there's a lot more to this website that you can read if you want to, but as I said, you don't really need to know anything more, apart from the fact that it increases traffic to websites and the various advertisers on Google. So what you need to do when you come onto their homepage is scroll down to the bottom and then click on affiliates right here. Now SpyFu is absolutely fantastic to promote as an affiliate, and it's mainly because of this: recurring commissions with 40 payouts for life. So let me break down what this means. If someone you refer here keeps paying SpyFu for like a year, that means throughout the entire year, you'll get 40 of what they pay this website, which is huge. So you have three very big things about the affiliate program. It pays a lot, it is in recurring commissions, making it the go-to site for someone looking to make money in passive income. And the third thing that makes the recurring commissions that much better is that people will need this, simply because they will be getting a huge profit. Yes, they do pay SpyFu, but they will be getting a huge return on that investment, which will of course encourage them to keep using it for longer periods of time. And actually, on this page, we'll see soon enough exactly how many people stop using the tool after they start. I'll get to that in a second. In any case, people sticking around means you will be able to earn more money even if you work for a small number of people to this website. Anyways, if you scroll down a bit more, you'll see more info concerning their affiliate program. So they have a 365-day tracking cookie. What this means is that when you send someone your affiliate link, if they don't sign up via that link right away, that means that if they do so in literally a single year, you'll still get paid nonetheless. This is an excellent feature because just as it says below, not every visitor converts right then. So this allows you to earn money even if people you referred here don't sign up right away. The next thing you can see is that you get paid twice a month, and more importantly, through PayPal or wire transfer. I know that many of you love PayPal, so it's for sure available with this website. Here you can see that this site allows you to earn money in truly passive income. And here's exactly what I was saying before. With less than 4% turn rate, SpyFu's customers rarely leave, Your recurring commissions hold real value. Some only a mere 4% of people stop using this tool after they start. This further shows you just how much potential the site offers you. Most people you refer here won't stop using it, which is one of the best features the site's affiliate program. The last thing you can read on this page are the frequently asked questions, but I won't go over them. To start as an affiliate, simply click on Start Earning every month right over here. Create your own account and grab your affiliate link. The last thing I want to show you before we move on to this traffic source is something I know you will want to know, which is how much money are we talking about here. By the way, you can check this out yourselves by clicking on pricing right here. Anyways, this site offers people three different pricing plans: basic, limited time offer, and professional. All three of which are for the annual and monthly pricing options, with the latter being slightly more expensive. The limited time offer pricing plan is one of the most people go for, since it's not too expensive but also not too cheap. Just think about like this. If you bring 10 people here and they all take the annual professional pricing option, that means you would have paid SpyFu around $7,000 since you get 40%, and that's already nearly $3,000 a year for just 10 people. So the site most definitely make you a lot of money. With that out of the way, let me show you how you'll be getting traffic to that affiliate link. What you need to do is come over to Google. The first thing you need to do is make sure your ad block is turned off, so Google will show you ads when you search for something. And what you need to search for are stuff that will show you ads. For example, I searched for weight loss, and there are quite few ads popping up, but it doesn't have to be health related. Our goal here is for Google to show us ads so you can search for a product of some sort or whatever. The reason we're doing this is that those advertisers will be our customers. But there are two important factors here. First, don't open up ads that show on the very first page of Google, but the ones that you find on the second or third pages. The second important thing is to not open up the first ad you see, but the third and fourth. Let me elaborate a bit as to why you're doing this. These advertisers are giving Google hundreds of dollars daily, but if they're not on the first page of Google, that means they're losing 90% of the potential traffic. In turn, this means that they're losing a lot of money. And since they're advertising, we know that they have a decently large budget, and so they will be more than willing to give SpyFu a try in order to get more traffic to their ads. Your goal is to not open up one of those ads, and you need to find the contact info of those people. So that means their Instagram, Facebook page, email address, whatever it may be. For me, I found their social media info at the bottom right here. You will now contact these people and tell them the benefits of SpyFu. Just go through all of its features and tell them that it is a great investment for them. Now you will do all of this for different advertisers you can find. The majority of them will be willing to give SpyFu a try. I guarantee you that. However, that is not all I have for you today. In case you don't exactly know what to search for, a site called infinitesuggest.com will be a huge help to you. This will give you keyword suggestions. For those oblivious, a keyword is a word or words people type in when searching for something. And so if you type in weight loss as I did, it will show me all of these keywords. And each time I type, one of these different ads will pop up. In this fashion, I won't run out of potential clients ever, and I will easily be able to make many of them and simply repeat the process over and over again and make thousands of dollars passively. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.